Most applications need to understand text to text sentiment and reviews, extract names and dates from emails, summarize long documents, or redact personal information from logs. Building these NLP capabilities from scratch takes months. Azure AI Language is Microsoft's fully managed NLP API that gives you 20+ text intelligence features with a single REST call. In this video, you will learn what it offers, how it works, and how to integrate it in minutes. Building NLP from scratch creates 4 compounding problems. Training a sentiment classifier requires thousands of labeled examples and weeks of GPU time. Entity recognition models need domain-specific training data that most teams don't have. PII detection must be accurate enough for legal compliance, not just demo quality. And maintaining multiple custom models, sentiment, entities, summarization means 4 separate deployment pipelines to operate forever. Azure AI Language is Microsoft's fully managed NLP service. It ships 20+ pre-built text intelligence features, sentiment analysis with opinion mining, named entity recognition, PII and PHI detection and redaction, key phrase extraction, language detection, abstractive and extractive summarization, and conversation summarization. For domain-specific needs, you can train custom text classification and custom NER models without writing any ML code. The Azure AI Language workflow runs in 4 steps. Send your text or document to the language REST endpoint with your chosen feature. The service runs the selected NLP model sentiment, entities, summarization, or PII detection. Receive a structured JSON response with scores, spans, and extracted fields. Route the results to your application, database, or downstream automation pipeline. Azure AI Language has 5 capability groups in one API. Pre-built NLP covers sentiment, entities, key phrases, and language detection. PII and PHI detection identifies and optionally redacts personal and health data. Text summarization produces abstractive or extractive summaries of long documents. Conversation analysis handles call center transcripts and meeting notes. Custom models let you train text classifiers and NER models on your own labels. How does Azure AI Language compare? AWS Comprehend has similar pre-built NLP, but fewer features and no conversation summarization. Google Natural Language API is strong on entities, but lacks abstractive summarization and custom NER training. PI and Hugging Face are open source, but require you to host, scale, and maintain every model yourself. Azure AI Language is the right choice when you want managed, compliant NLP that integrates natively with your Azure workloads. Azure AI Language PII detection supports over 120 entity types across 10 languages and is certified for HIPAA and GDPR compliance. The abstractive summarization model can condense a 50-page document into a 5-sentence summary in under 2 seconds. Custom text classification reaches over 90% accuracy on most enterprise use cases, with fewer than 200 labeled training examples. Azure AI Language fits every text-heavy enterprise pattern. Automate support ticket routing by classifying tickets into categories and extracting product names and error codes. Analyze customer review sentiment and mine specific opinion targets to surface actionable product feedback. Redact PII from support logs and chat transcripts before storing them for compliance. Summarize meeting transcripts and call recordings to send automatic action item digests. Extract medical entities from clinical notes for structured HR ingestion. 3 lines to run sentiment analysis from Python. Create the text analytics client with your endpoint and key. Call analyze sentiment with a list of documents, and iterate over results to read sentiment labels and confidence scores. Add opinion mining equals true to get % opinions about specific targets. The same client handles entities, PI, key phrases, and summarization through separate methods. Use Azure AI Language when you need managed, compliant NLP for sentiment, entities, PII detection, or summarization on Azure without training or hosting your own models. It is the right choice for support automation, compliance, content moderation, and document intelligence workflows. Skip it if you need cutting-edge LLM quality understanding. Azure OpenAI with GPT-4o will give you deeper reasoning, though at higher cost and latency. Azure AI Language in 5 points. 1. 20+ pre-built NLP features in one API: sentiment, entities, PI, summarization, language detection. 2. PII and PHI detection with redaction. Certified for HIPAA and GDPR compliance. 3. Abstractive summarization that condenses long documents in under 2 seconds. 4. Custom text classification and NER trained on as few as 200 labeled examples. 5. Conversation analysis for call center transcripts and meeting notes at scale. Stop building and hosting NLP models from scratch. Azure AI Language gives you 20+ text intelligence features as a managed API. Start at eka.ms/Azure AI Language.